Hello friends, I created this project in my previous video using free dictionary API, and here I can enter any word and get the meaning when I click on refresh. So suppose I enter a word like democracy, and then I click on refresh. So to first I'll go to this table and then right click and click on refresh. So this will after some time give me the meaning of this word democracy. So in this video I will be adding a button for this refresh function. So let's begin. To add a button we have to go to developer, and then we have to record macro. So first I'll write a new word here. So in place of democracy I'll enter a new word, align. Okay, now I will click on record macro. Let's name it macro 3, and in description we'll write refresh and click OK. Now it is recording. So we'll go to this column 1 and right click and then click on refresh and then click on stop recording. So now you see it is showing the meaning of this word align. Next we have to go to insert and add button, form control button. So we'll add this, we'll insert this button here. Here we'll select this macro 3, which we'll assign, and click on OK. So here it is, button 5. We can rename it. Let's rename it to get meaning. Okay, so now we have added a button. Now we'll add a new word here, verify, and I'll click on get meaning. So here you can see it is working. So now I can enter any word here and click on this button to get the meaning of the word. That's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.